sex party?
What happened at my toy party, Mom?
That guy that was working behind the bar. That
Pete, yeah.
he put that thing there, and he was just swear he had to yell in front of me.
That's called extreme.
So I was.
The silly, in the middle of the night conversations we have with Mom.
It's so
all
nice
good.
to see you eat, Mom.
I've been making her eat 3 times a day, and she snacks. Doing good. But we don't look the best in the middle of the night.
That's because she just woke up.
That's awesome, Mom. Because that was a whole caramel roll. Holy crap balls.
I think it was a half one.
Yeah, you already ate the other half.
I broke it.
I'm proud of you. Oh, those are huge. Do you want some milk to go with it?
Okay, thank you.
Okay.